Hello guys, welcome back to our channel with other new topic of how to download and install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. So if you're new to this channel, welcome to Skill for Career. So without any delay, let's dive into the content. Now let's download the Ubuntu and install it. Open the browser and type Ubuntu and hit enter. The first link which appears will be from Ubuntu official website. Click on that. Now choose the download tab and drop down menu will appear. We need Ubuntu for the desktop, so I will click on the get Ubuntu desktop. You will jump into the download page of the Ubuntu. Scroll down and click on the download. The Ubuntu gets download. Make sure you have proper requirements of a 2 GHz dual core processor. The system memory should be at least 4 GB and the hard drive space should be at least of 25 GB space. Once it's done downloading Ubuntu ISO file, as you can see, this is my user interface of VirtualBox. We're gonna go ahead and create the virtual machine for the Ubuntu. So click on the new button. Name the virtual machine. I'm naming Skill for Career in this folder location where all the files of virtual machine are stored. Then set the type as Linux, and for the version, I'm gonna choose 64-bit Ubuntu. Now click on next. Allocate the RAM and CPU core for the Ubuntu virtual machine. I'm using 5 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for faster performance. Ensure the slide stays inside the green bar. Then click on next. Now I'll allocate the storage space of 20 GB or higher. Click on next. This is the summary of the virtual machine. Now click on finish. As you can see, we have created Ubuntu virtual machine. Click on settings, choose general. Now select advanced tab and set the shared clipboard as bidirectional. This allows clipboard sharing between Windows or a host OS and Ubuntu. Now select the display from the sidebar and increase the video memory to the maximum. I'm enabling 3D acceleration, which allows guest machine to use the host machine GPU. Now select storage from the sidebar. Under the IDE controller, click on empty. Then click on the disk icon and choose a disk file. I'm importing the Ubuntu ISO file that looks like this, and leave everything as default. We have done configuring the virtual machine. So that's it, how we install the ISO file of Ubuntu in virtual machine. It's time to start the virtual machine. Click on start button, select the system language and click on install Ubuntu to boot into the Ubuntu live setup. Then select the keyboard layout and click on continue. On application and update slide, click on these two options. On bottom of the other options, this is to update the Ubuntu while installing some of the necessary drives, and click on continue. For the installation type, choose erase disk and then click on install. Select your time zone, click on continue. Now set up your user account and password, then click on continue to start installing Ubuntu. This will take a time, so take a nap for some time. Once the installation is completed, click on restart now to boot up your system. As you can see, my login interface using the password to login. So this is how we install Ubuntu ISO file in VirtualBox, and we successfully done this. So that's all for today, guys. If you face any trouble while installing, please feel free to comment tip. I will surely reach you out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out the latest skill for career contents. I'll see you in the next video. You're signing off, Michael. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.